This video reviews the provisions that are common to molding cylinder and beam test specimens in the field. The procedures for molding test specimens do not apply when the slump of the concrete is not measurable, or when some other specimen size or shape is required. The concrete used to mold test specimens shall be sampled after all on-site adjustments have been made to the mixture, including the addition of water and admixtures. Specimens shall be molded promptly on a level, rigid surface that is free of vibration and other disturbance. The tamping rod can be used to verify that the work surface is level. Whenever test specimens are molded, the slump, air content, and temperature of the concrete must be determined. Lightly coat the interior of reusable molds with mineral oil or another suitable non-reactive form release material. Also, individuals who make and cure specimens for acceptance testing shall be certified ACI Field Testing Technicians Grade 1 or equivalent. Concrete in a specimen mold is consolidated either by rotting or vibration, depending on the measured slump. Vibrate concretes with a slump less than 1 inch. Rot or vibrate concretes with a slump of 1 inch or more. When consolidation is by rotting, refer to Table 1 to determine the tamping rod dimensions for the size of mold used. Also, refer to Table 3 to determine the number of layers and number of rottings per layer for the type and size of mold used. When consolidation is by vibration, refer to Table 4 to determine the number of layers and number of insertions per layer for the type and size of mold used. Finish each specimen with the minimum manipulation necessary to produce a flat, even surface that is level with the rim or edge of the mold. No depression or projection shall be larger than 1/8 inch. Specimens are cured either by the standard curing method or field curing method. Standard curing involves both an initial and final curing phase. In general, field-cured specimens are to be treated as nearly as possible in the same manner as the concrete in the structure. Specimens shall not be transported to the laboratory until at least 8 hours after final set. During transport, protect specimens from damage, freezing during cold weather, and moisture loss. Transportation time shall not exceed 4 hours. The following information is to be reported to the testing laboratory: the specimen identification number, location of the concrete represented by the specimen, date, time, and name of the technician who molded the specimen, the slump, air content, temperature, and results of any other test on the fresh concrete, and relevant details of the curing method used. Don't forget to clean your equipment.